Hey everyone, let's take a look at the bob and weave. I want to show you this simple technique that was taught to me when I was a beginner to do the proper bob and weave, right? So the bob and weave is a foreign movement if you've never, had to bob and weave before, okay? The combination that I'm going to be using the bob and weave in is the jab cross, bob and weave cross hook, which really shows how important rotation is to set up the next technique. All right, so I'm going to start with my guarding stance, extend my jab, extend my cross regular. Now the bob and weave comes in, right? I want to remember the letter U when I come down. So I bring my guard in, okay? Weight is still over the front foot. I'm going to come straight down, straight across, and pop my body up, okay? What this does, it allows me to wind up my power side, my right-hand side. So let's take a look at it again. I throw my jab, I throw my cross, I bring the body down, always keeping the axis under. On my feet, I come across, roll out. I feel the power in the back foot, and I extend the cross, and I bring the hook across. All right, so one more time, let's take a look at how we incorporate the jab cross, bob and weave cross hook. Okay, so I throw my jab, I throw my cross, I make the letter U when I come down. I bring my guard in, I drop the body, I come across the bottom of the U, this winds up the power from my right side, and I throw the cross, and then I bring the hook. That is the bob and weave.